Cowboy Cooking, B. Mac and Gary. Gary, tell us what we're doing and who you're with.
So I'm with Tim Adams today. We just impromptu. We're cooking some steaks behind you there, but impromptu. We want to do a dessert. So we just reached into the cabinet. Didn't exactly know what we had. So what'd you find in the cabinet?
Found a can of blueberries, a can of cherries. We're gonna do a simple little old dump cobbler.
There's a dump cobbler. So you put the cherries on one side,
and blueberries on the other. You get you a standard cake mix, and we're just gonna put it on top, sprinkle it around on the top, like that.
By the way, where are we?
We're at Deer Camp. As you can tell, the way I'm dressed, that I was hunting today with my daughter. We were unsuccessful, but it doesn't matter because we're always successful when we can have a dump cake.
You're exactly right. Now, this was an impromptu deal, so we have to come up with the other ingredients. We'll be right back. And we're back. While we were away, I got a little margarine, a little butter, and cut it up into little pats. And I'm going to take it and distribute it around here a little bit.
You riding around the fence?
All right, we're getting some coals on right now.
How much?
Mr. Bobby already had some for the bottom. Now he's putting some on the top.
You know, I told my
A little
boy
bit
that,
more.
you know, Brandon tried the same thing on Tim.
I know it'll work right there. And we'll check it here and there and let y'all know. All right, been about 30 minutes in the process here. Let's
Director.
take a look over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's looking nice. We'll give it another about 10 minutes and then we'll check it again.
All right, so it's done. We think we pulled it out. Tim, is it done?
Let's see. Let's see. Been about 45 minutes now. Take the lid off here. Be careful not to spill the coals down in that goodness.
We've done that.
Oh,
That.
looky
Oh,
there.
hey,
Look at that cherry coming up on
Look
top.
I
at
sure
that.
wish you guys could smell what we smell.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, we need
it's
smell-o-vision.
And if you have a little bluebell, it goes perfectly with this dish. But anyway, we're fixing to dive in and enjoy it. Hope y'all learned something.
Hey, and until next time, see you around the campfire.